Young People at a Crossroads is a research project that ran from 2021 to 2023. It was funded by the UK Economic and Social Research Council. In recent years, you may have heard people saying humanity is at a crossroads when they are talking about climate change. They are usually saying this to try and get people, and particularly people in power, to take action. We wanted to explore with young people what it feels like to be growing up at such an urgent time. Climate change is already becoming a major driver of global migration. People who migrate across countries have to navigate crossroads of their own, and we wanted to hear about their experiences. The project book shares stories and ideas about climate change education, climate change action, and climate change adaptation. Haripriya talked to her mother, who was born in Sri Lanka, later coming to Melbourne, Australia via Zambia.
My mum told me that she remembers when back in Sri Lanka, with the vegetable peelings, they were used as manure in the garden. She doesn't remember whether they had a compost bin per se, but she did something to that effect. Let the peelings dry out a little bit, and then that would become manure for the vegetable patch. In Sri Lanka, you couldn't really go and buy artificial fertilizers and manure at that time.
The cover of the book brings together things that families told us about their lives in the places that they lived, including the positive changes they've been a part of, tree planting, protests and beach cleans, and the concerns they have about issues such as fossil fuels, landfill waste and polluting transport. The winding road across the cover shows there is no single one-way path towards a more environmentally sustainable and livable future, but in fact we are all in this together and all have a part to play.